Yo! Welcome to the vlog. Carlo here. First and foremost, maraming salamat sa lahat ng pumunta. Thank you to everybody who dropped by the grand opening of Unbox Greenhills. If you guys missed the vlog where I showed several clips, it's like part 1. I'll link it down below as well as somewhere up here. This vlog is actually part 2 because I couldn't cram everything that happened in the first day in one video. And in today's episode, I have a special treat for you guys. We will be checking out the most insane NBA cards collection that was on display during our grand opening. We had literally 7 digits worth, maybe even 8 digits worth of NBA cards featuring Kobe Bryant. And it was just mind-blowingly, as in talaga, whoa, as in, my jaw just dropped to the floor. And up to today, when I reviewed the footage, I have to just, wow. It is, as in talagang mind-blown. So if you are a fan of Kobe Bryant, you are a fan of NBA cards, you guys 100% need to watch this vlog. So with that said, let's rewind a bit and I'll take you back to opening day of Unbox Greenhills where we saw the most insane NBA cards collection I have ever seen in my life. So guys, we're here sa, pasensya na, pawis na ako, cardboard corner dito sa Unbox Greenhills. Kaka-box break lang nila Boss Kirby. Boss, ano ba yung nakuha natin dyan? Pakita mo naman.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Kaka-break lang namin ng isang case. One case of Impeccable Hobby.
Halo.
Kakatapos lang about an hour ago and we hit some good ones including a LaMelo Ball Impeccable Rookie Signatures.
Boom!
Redemption siya, but you can get this card probably in about a few months.
Wow.
Redeem mo lang kaagad sa Panini and average of 3 to 4 months,
You get it.
you get the card now with LaMelo Ball signature.
Tansya mo, magkano value niyan?
Right now I would say dahil it's a new product and it's a high-end product, I'm guessing roughly around maybe 3,000 to 4,000 US dollars.
Dang!
Roughly.
Roughly.
And then our other big hit from the case break is a gold Luka Doncic.
Boom!
Stainless stars. Yung cover niyan, may protective cover yan sa loob na you have to peel off. But most collectors, they actually keep the cover.
Yeah, why would you take it out,
Kasi
right?
pag yung stainless na yung exposed, mabilis magka-scratch.
Wow.
Kaya pag collector ka nito, keep the protective cover to protect the integrity of the card din. This one is numbered 9 out of 10.
So, 10 cards lang yan.
10 cards na gold parallel.
Winner, brother.
10
Magkano
cards
tansya mo
na
dyan?
Probably the same as the LaMelo,
Around 3,000 US.
3,000
Boom.
US.
Perang tingnan natin. Yun, guys, oh. Winner. So,
It
yun.
was a good case. It was a very good case. Oh, we got a gold Grant Hill auto.
Oh!
Gold Grant Hill 4 out of 10. That's on card.
On-card signature.
On card signature meaning hinawakan ni Grant Hill yung card.
Magkano
Personally
yung mga
signed.
ganyan?
This one, I'm guessing ito mga nasa 10,000 pesos. 10 to 12,000
Oh, not bad,
pesos.
ah. Kasi signed lang by Grant Hill.
Yeah. Ito, I'm sure a lot of people who know who this guy is. Kevin McHale.
Yun.
Illustrious Ink. Also gold. 4 out of 10.
Kasi signed it.
Yeah, he signed it too. On card auto. Ito mga 6 to 7,000 pesos.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Winner, bro. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So if you guys want to know
Okay
more
na.
about Cardboard Corner, Facebook.
We have a group. It's by invitation only though. So if you know anyone who's a member of the group, magpa-invite lang kayo sa kanila. We have a few questions you need to answer. Just follow the instructions and then you'll get accepted. And that's it.
Or
We
dumaan
also
sila
have-
dito, di ba?
Yeah,
Daan
we
sila
also
here.
have an Instagram page, the Cardboard Corner PH.
Link down below, guys. I'll link it down below.
Link down below. Link
Yeah.
down here.
Yeah.
So, just follow it and may mag-a-accept naman yung admin namin.
Oh, meron ako nakita, guys, dito. Parang puro Kobe Bryant, oh. Crazy. So, baka you guys can explain ano meron dyan.
So, nung nag-retire si Kobe about 2015, 2016, Panini released a collection of his autographs. So, the series is called Eminence. Pero for that particular season, the whole product was dedicated kay Kobe.
Wow, okay.
No other autos, all the autos Kobe Bryant. So, meron mga different subsets, we call it, na related to his career. So, this subset is called Moments. Right? So, yung mga highlights niya, Milestones niya, there's yung mga championships that he's won.
Those are all signed by him talaga?
All those are signed
Oh,
by
those
him.
are actual Kobe Bryant on-card signatures?
Yes, signed and
Dang.
built and everything. Ito, this one, number 8, and yung draft day. Draft day niya, and then right beside it is the last game.
That
The
he
Mamba
played.
out game, yeah.
Wow.
The game he dropped the 60 points against Utah. Here naman, this subset is dedicated to all his triple doubles in his career.
So for every triple-double, he has a card.
Yes, for every meron dyan, ito yung 21st, 17, halo-halo yan. Meron siya 21 triple doubles throughout his entire career. So 21 cards in the whole subset.
We're missing one.
Yeah, we're missing one, pero otherwise,
It's all halos complete.
yeah, that's
Oh,
20.
sige, hindi ko natatanungin magkano ha, para... Basta alam nyo na yan, guys. If you know, you know.
This is called Farewell. Meron siyang 5 klase. We have the 3. It's only numbered to 5.
And you have 3 of them.
We have 3 of them.
Nasaan na yung dalawa?
Wala kami yung dalawa eh. We have this one, the colossal Prime logo. So, ito yung letter K sa Lakers. So, makita natin, malaki siya.
Laman sino yung next Kobe Bryant? Si Terrence Mann.
Yun.
Kaka 39 points lang against the Utah Jazz. Elimination game. Keep an eye out for his cards. It's spiking up in value.
Nice.
This is a National Treasures RPA. And it's jersey numbered ni Kobe.
Magkano yan? Yan, pwede ko tanongin. Hindi ko
Yan.
naman siguro yan exage, no?
Probably around mga it used to be mga 400 US. I'm guessing 300 to 400. But after his game kanina, earlier, probably nag-double na yung value niya.
Wow, ganun kabilis?
One good game.
So mga 600 to 700.
Okay, at this point, I just have to quickly cut the vlog kasi I just have to, chime in and say that what? As in talaga, that has got to be one of the craziest Kobe NBA cards collection I have ever seen. And once I found out how much they cost, I didn't say it in the vlog, but you guys can Google and check out the actual price. As in talagang, what? Boom! So kung hindi nyo alam how much they cost, i-google nyo na ngayon at tingnan nyo lang, okay? Tapos balik na tayo sa vlog. Tapos sabay-sabay nyo ako pag nakita nyo yung price, boom! Sasabog ang utak nyo. Promise. As for the opening, we also have this display of Filipino Heroes. So shout out to Jed Madela for sending his collection over. So we have Valentina over here. O, di ba? We have Captain Barbell. Angas, oh. Of course, we have the one and only Darna. And ito yata si Lastic Man. Yan, oh. Diba? So yun yung 4. Boom. Pagdating dito sa Unbox Greenhills, always make sure to drop by Solid Toys. Yun, oh. Nandito tayo kasama mga friends natin. Diba? Winner. Gusto ko t-shirt mo. Maybe uniform ko yan, Carhartt. Halos araw-araw. So, ano ba ma-expect ng mga tao dito, brother?
Marami kaming mga designer toys from a lot of artists around the world. From Thailand, UK, America, Singapore. So we're mainly focusing on designer toys.
Yung talagang for collectors, no?
Our store is really focused on bringing in new designer toy brands to the Philippines.
Sino yung isa sa mga, apart from the usual, alam na naman natin, sila Quick, sila Wetworks, no? Sino yung sa tingin mo ngayon medyo up and coming?
Two Petal Rose.
Bigyan mo ako sample, sino dito yan?
Ito si Two Petal Rose.
Ay, oo, nakita ko yan, panalo. Sobra, para siyang samurai. Magkano yung mga ganyan, yung black and yung white?
Itong pair kasi to, tas for members only. So you have to be part of their membership to be able to get this pair. So yung vinyls nila nag-retail at 9K. 9K pesos. Yung ganito. Pero kung yung mga resin na ganito, 16K?
16? Wow, do you have a resin figure
We
right
don't
now?
have, but meron dito sa cabinet.
Over here, so tingnan natin guys yung resin.
Ito itong dalawa yung resin.
Nice.
The red one and the black one are the resins. Then these are his new releases, yung collab niya with Concrete.
This one, the smaller
The
one.
smaller ones, yung noodle. Those retail for 6K.
6K.
Pero sobrang limited nilang lahat. It's so hard to get.
So guys, if you're looking to collect like samurai figures, research nyo of course the story and the thinking behind it, no? Pero Two Petal Rose, of course, dito lang sa Solid Toys Unbox Greenhills. Bards, maraming salamat. Good luck. Boom! Oh, di ba? Panalo. Grabe. So shout out again to Kirby from Cardboard Corner. Shout out to our friends from Solid Toys. If ever you guys find yourself in Unbox Greenhills, make sure to drop by and check their shops out. They are just, whoo, as in burning hot, crazy madness. Anyway, before we end the vlog, I just have one more package that I want to share and unbox with you guys. So this was sent to me by our good friends from Mission Shop. Let me just make sure I got the name correctly. Where's my phone? I can't find my phone. So this one was sent to me by Mission Shop PH. Here you go. So it's a package. I don't know what's inside. So it's kind of like a mystery thing. I will be posting these items on my Instagram account as well. So it's a variety of electronics and accessories. Wow, ang ganda. OMG! This is nice. If you guys want any of these products, I'll link down below to their website. This has got to be one of the nicest looking power banks ever. Take a look at that. Grabe, oh. Tingnan nyo. That's cloth covered. So this is 10,000 mAh. It has wireless charging capability. It's called the IoT Wireless Go Power Bank. So ganda. Thank you, Mission Shop. So guys, check out Mission Shop again. I will link it down below. They also sent 2 AirPods Pro cases. Panalo, do you know I have an AirPods Pro? So this one is like Game Boy inspired. To all of you who are from the same age as me, this one looks like an iPod. It's literally like an iPod case. So to those who are, are big fans of their AirPods Pro and you are looking for a case, check out Mission Shop. As in, ang galing, nakakatuwa naman to. They even sent like, I don't know what this is. It's like, I think it's a stylus. But yeah, ganda. And then we have, ang dami nilang pinadala. It's like Christmas. Anyway, this is the lamp, LED lamp. So, yan, ganda siya. It changes color. Lexon design. And then we also have this nice looking flip plus LCD alarm clock. Over here. Ganda rin, oh. From Lexon, again from Mission Shop. And lastly, we have this automatic clamping mount for your dashboard and windshield. So if you are driving and you wanna, I don't know, take a lot of ways or control your phone, really nice. Guys, all of these products are available over at Mission Shop PH. I'll link down below to their website. Check them out, okay? And with that said, that actually wraps up today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. As usual, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and comment down below what you think of the cards. Ako, mind blown pa rin talaga. As in talaga, what? Diba? Grabe. Anyway, with that said, this is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.